Hello guys, have a good day. So yesterday I have shared a video on my channel. Hope you all watched that. I shared some of outlooks and many of outlooks, and I have told about like entries. Okay, so in this video I briefly explain about a few entry types, how to we utilize it. Actually there is one the issue we have, we cannot stick with only one entry types. Okay, so that is what here we have difficulties. We have many entry types. We need to choose our entry types according to the market situation. So we cannot stick with only one entry types. So you need to know about at least 2 or 3 entry types, like according to the situation, market situation, we can use it. Okay, so in this video I'm going to share the entry type single candle formation. So I want to share the topic with you. You know that many people struggling with when they have reached with daily key level, when they reach daily key level, they look for H4 to break out, right? So they will look for H4 to break out. So the major struggle is after the breakout, where should I enter? So that was the major struggle for all people. Where should I enter? There are many key levels here, like we have apex key level, we have QM key level, we have more FEGs, more gaps in between here. So where we need to enter? So that's the major people struggling in here. So here I am explaining the video about how to enter the trade. Okay, so here, so after break the structure, we need to consider two things. When the price started to break out, we need to see if there is any stop loss hunt or sweep is here or not. If we see any sweep here, that will more valid. Okay, so example, let me clearly draw. So like I clearly told you that this is our daily key level, this will be our daily key level. Okay, so this is our daily key level in H4 time frame. This is H4 time frame. In H4 time frame, we will look for this breakup structure, right? So this will be our breakup structure. Okay, so when the breakup structure happen, we need to look this area have any sweep or not. Like if we have, like you all know that what is sweep, what is stop loss hunt. Like the price take this above and it will close like this. Okay, so when we have this sweep here, this breakout structure here, okay, this sweep will be happened in our daily key level. Okay, so this will be happened in our daily key level like this. Okay, so here when the candle break like this, let me draw the candle like here. So this is the candle. When the candle break this low, okay, and close like this, the next candle consider as liquidity. The next candle consider as liquidity. It may draw like this. The next candle consider as liquidity. So when we have the setup like this, like okay, this line I have mentioned is this breakup structure area. Okay, don't confuse it. This line I have mentioned is this breakup structure area. This is the breakout candle. This is the breakout candle. This is a breakout candle. So the next candle called as liquidity. So you can mark this high as liquidity. So what it means, this candle, after breakout candle, the next retracement candle called as liquidity. Okay, after that, you know where we need to enter. You need to find any key level nearby this liquidity, any key level nearby this liquidity. Like you need to switch from H4 time frame or H1. Don't go below like H1. Keep it on H4, H2, H3 time frame. Look for any key level. If any key level like this, that will be our entry. That will be our entry. The price will react like this. The price will react from that key level and it will start to move like this. So understand what I am saying. In line chart, the next candle take which is the nearby key level and it start to move. Clearly understand that this is breakout structure. This is our breakout structure. Okay, breakout structure. This candle is our breakout candle. Okay, this candle is our breakout candle. The next candle which is formed is, it is called as our liquidity. So this candle called as liquidity. This is liquidity. So in this scenario, we need to find any key level in this area. You need to switch many time frames like H4, H3, H2, which you have a nearby key level. You need to choose that key level as entry. Okay, so you need to choose. If we have any key level in our 2 hour time frame like this area, then we need to choose our entry like this. Okay, so this will be our entry. Like we need to target like 1:4 or 5 So this structure, this type of structure we called as single candle formation. What is single candle formation? After breakout, this breakout candle not so much big or not so far. It need to be closed nearby this breakout area. Okay, breakout area. The next candle must retrace. You know, after breakout, the next candle must retrace to our this breakout area. So when the situation happens, we can find our entries by the nearby key level like this. So let me show in chart some examples. Okay, same for bullish trend also. This is for bearish trend. Same vice versa, you can use it for bullish trend also. I will show some examples so that you can clearly understand it. Okay, so here you can see it. This is our daily reject daily, right? So this one is our daily reject daily. Okay, after that we will go to H4 time frame. So what we look first, the daily candle need to close below the key level. So that is the first step. So after that, what we need to look, we need to find the structure need to broken. Okay, so where the structure need to broken? So here the structure has been broken. So here the breakout structure has been happened. Okay, so this is the second step. And the one thing you need to understand for the special tip, you know, whenever you set your entries, at least add 1 or 2 pips extra. Okay, so that will help you to understand. You know the most of times the key level doesn't trigger the exactly because of some spread or some brokers candles. It doesn't take the exact level. So add 1 or 2 pips, not more than 2 or 3 pips. Like 1 or 2 pips you must add, because it reach nearby key level and after that it doesn't trigger. Okay, so please add 1 or 2 pips. Like here I explained you, this is our H4 breakout candle. Okay, the breakout happened. what I told you, after the breakout happened, the next candle as liquidity, right? So what is our liquidity? So this is our liquidity. Okay, this is our breakout candle, this is our liquidity. And what I told you, you need to find any nearby key level. So what is here any nearby key level? So this is the nearby key level. So this will be our entry. So this will be our entry here. We can target to the next key level. Okay, so I told you this, the candle doesn't trigger in exact level. You want to calculate how much pips we missed. Let me show you. 0.5 pips. So that is not, don't consider this is as liquidity, the price come to take this liquidity. 0.5 pips different, this is not liquidity. So understood that whenever you set your limit, add 1 pips extra to avoid this type of move like this. Okay, so don't miss like this. So this is what I explained this video, like a single candle formation. If you want any more examples, let me show you. So the other example, yeah, here you can see is, let me clear all this. Yeah, so here we have broke another structure in this area. Okay, so this is continuation trade. In continuation trade, you can see here we have broken the structure here. So what I told you, understand all the points, remember all the points. Like after the break of structure, the candle doesn't close so far our breakout level. Okay, so here we know that it is doesn't close so far, it is close nearby level. So here the single candle formation liquidity has been more valid. So what I told you, the next candle as liquidity. So the next candle high as liquidity. Now what we need to do, we need to do what is the nearby key level. So where is the nearby key level? In 4 hours the nearby key level was, there is no, yeah, here you can see this, the nearby key level was this open close key level, which is nearby our liquidity level. So I told you this candle high as our liquidity, and you need to find any key level nearby our liquidity. So here I choose this gap for our entry. So in this scenario, you can enter our trade like this, like this. You can choose your stop loss for 10 or 15 pips, and you can target for 1:5 or easily. Okay, so this is the another example. And any other example, let me find for you. Yeah, here you can see, here we have breakout. Okay, why here single candle formation is not valid? Because the breakout candle closed so far here, and there is no retracement candle nearby our breakout area. So here the single candle formation is there is no value for single candle formation. When the single candle formation was valid, we need to break out like this, and the retracement candle nearby our breakout area. Okay, the retracement candle is the next candle. The next candle want to look like this. Okay, another area, another, yeah, here you can see we have another breakout in this here. Let me show in line chart. We have another breakout here. So the first criteria is the retracement candle need to be close to us, our breakout area. So what is the next candle here? Okay, so this is the next candle. It is our nearby breakout area. So we called that one as our liquidity. So we called this as our liquidity. So this is our liquidity. So after that, what I told you, we need to find any nearby key level. So you can find any 4-hour key level nearby this. There is no nearby key level. You can see there is no key level. There is no nearby key level in H4 time frame. If you doesn't find any key level in H4 time frame, you need to switch 3-hour, 2-hour and H1. Okay. So in H3 also there is, yeah, you can see we have this key level, which is this gap. This is open close key level. Okay, I told you this candle is our liquidity and this is our nearby key level. Now what we do, we just put our entry like this, put your stop loss for 5 to 10 pips, target for 1:5 or 1:10, like what is our daily key level, like that we can target it. Okay, so this is single candle formation. You can backtest in your chart. There is a criteria for that. What is the criteria? When the criteria is we need to see the breakout structure like this. Okay, so this is breakout structure. After breakout structure, the price must need to retrace nearby our breakout area. So after that area, we can choose that candle high as our liquidity. So after we mark our this candle high as liquidity, we need to choose any nearby key level like this, and we can enter our entry like this and we can target. Okay, so this is the single candle formation entry, which is very helpful in your trades. So whenever you find the situation, I already mentioned that there is no only one entry type in our trades. We need to stick with 1 or 2 types of entry according to the situation. So whenever you see like this situation, you can enter like this. That will be most perfect setup. That will be more valid setup. It will give you more RR, like 7 or 8 RR easily. So practice in your chart. That will be very useful for you. So this is the short video of single candle formation. Keep supporting us. If you support us, we will do more videos like this. Keep in touch. Have a nice weekend. Bye bye.